Hi, JT Nethercutt here with Modern Marine Solutions. Today we're going to be descaling this outboard motor with Modern Marine's OBDS 2430. This system here will internally flush all the scale and residue and salt from inside your motor, from the water jacket, and get it running as good as the day it was new. We have a simple process here. We simply unhook our water indicator hose and we're going to tie it to our flush line. This ensures we clean the entire system, including the water indicator. Now we're going to take our system here, we're going to add about 7 to 8 gallons of water, then we're going to add 1 gallon of concentrate. Let's get started. Now we're adding fresh water to our tank system. We want to fill the tank up just above our through the hull fitting here, and then we're going to add 1 gallon of Hammerhead Marine concentrate. Now we have our water level in the tank above our through the hull fitting. We want to open this up just to make sure we're primed. Simply take our flush hose with the banjo fittings, connect it. We want to make sure the pump's primed. Okay, now we're primed. Here we have our Hammerhead Marine Descaler concentrate. We're going to add this to our tank and we're going to begin descaling our motor. Now we're going to take our flush hose, hook to our freshwater flush on the engine. Simple water hose connection. Turn our system on and begin our descaling. Now we have been flushing for approximately an hour and a half, and our foam is dissipated, our descale is complete. We reinstalled the thermostat. We're going to unhook our system and flush the motor with fresh water to clean out any leftover debris. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have descaled this outboard engine, and now we're getting ready to put it back in the water to have a good day on the water. So next time you have an engine problems or for routine maintenance, use Bright Base Hammerhead Marine Descaler, and we'll keep your engine running cool like the day it was new. For more information on Bright Bay products and our cleaning systems, visit us at modernmarinesolutions.com or give us a call at 305-906-0609.